Take a moment to check out the 2022 Ram 2500. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Ram 2500 delivers heavy-duty capability, sophisticated style, rugged strength, and technology that keeps you safe and connected. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, four-wheel drive, keyless start, satellite radio, heated mirrors, 8-cylinder engine, Bluetooth connection, Wi-Fi hotspot, stability control. Attack your projects with the strength and power that leaves no room for doubt. Drive the Ram 2500.